OPSI Systems, a leading software and consultancy company specializing in routing and vehicle logistics, have an extensive range of products and services for logistic companies in the primary and secondary distribution market. OPSI's products are renowned for their technical capability, effectiveness and ease of integration, as reflected in their primary product offering, Plato.
So Plato is a complete suite for managing transport on the road, everything from managing primary distribution to secondary distribution.
The core module performs optimization. Given a job set and a number of vehicles, it will show you the best combination of those two to reduce your costs as best as possible.
And really what we're concerned with is what is the cheapest, most efficient way of getting product from the manufacturer or the supplier to the customer.
We're very versatile in how our software can interface into other people's software. So you don't have to design your business around our software often can fit into your business.
It also has integration with GPS tracking, it has POD management, it has mobile visibility for the drivers, web-based applications. So it's really the only system that we know that can manage distribution from order entry to the point of POD in such a wide variety of distribution environments. So a few years ago, Imperial Distribution decided to put together a control center from which they would manage the planning and optimization of a large number of fleets.
So Plato and OPSI were selected as our preferred partner because of the optimization that Plato provides, both primary and secondary optimization.
Plato allows us to solve complex distribution problems that traditionally we wouldn't have been able to solve.
Plato is a very, very strong tool and it's got certain benefits which are very particular to the solutions we wanted to offer to our clients.
The product had a strong optimization algorithm, and in terms of the pricing it was well positioned against its competitors.
The Plato solving engine is one of the best on the market. It is complex, it's thorough, and it comes up with a better answer than most of the other transportation management softwares.
There's a couple of key features that we felt would give us an advantage over other technologies. So the time horizon based planning as opposed to bucket planning is quite important, especially on some of our sites. And couple that to the execution management module, which is a clear sort of advantage in terms of other technologies that are on the market. It's given a standard set of controls that can be rolled out across different contracts, thereby allowing standard reporting to be rolled out, such as vehicle utilization reports, driver utilization reports, cost per tons, etc., etc. So it's really automated a lot of the reporting functionality.
Their vision was to have this control center manned by a large number of people with the best software that they could find in order to give their customers the best optimization of their distribution.
And then from an execution management point of view, it's really smooth, ensuring that the drivers adhere to plan, and that's really where the money is saved. So the best laid plan is great, but if you cannot follow the best laid plan, you ain't going to make the savings.
When we embarked on this project, the ultimate goal was to increase profit and reduce costs. And Plato has enabled us to do that and increase productivity on the vehicles.
What Plato does is it allows you, with a scalability, to really handle more workload with the same or less people.
Across a wide range of contracts, we've achieved between a 10 and a 20% reduction in the fixed costs, as well as a saving from kilometers and overtime.
So we're actually increasing our trips per day. So our trips per day have gone up significantly. Our kilometers per drop have reduced.
In the beginning, we started with contracts of 10 vehicles, and we're currently running about 500 vehicles out of the center.
We have expanded not only to our sites, so the Imperial distribution sites where we own assets, but also to sites where we purely plan as a service.
It's also given us the ability to cross-optimize between sites. And that's really important when we look in the future in terms of saving costs, is to look at sharing fleets across sites. It's really provided the platform for it. The scalability of the software is what's so important.
I think we've been a key part of the success of their control center in order to really provide their customers with the best possible optimization.
Imperial wouldn't have been able to realize the benefits that we've seen over the last 2 years without a Plato being involved.
Plato has enabled all the benefits and the environment we've got today. Without that backbone, that planning backbone, we would not have been able to do what we've done and achieve the results we have achieved.